Hello everyone, I'm Kai. I am a cybersecurity consultant and engineer. Today, I'd like to share my experience with Certified DevSecOps Professional Course. The course is very well structured. It starts with the basic, then moves into security testing in CI/CD pipelines, and also covers infrastructure as code and compliance as code, which are areas many people often overlook. What I really like about the course is that it doesn't just introduce individual tools. It also explains when to use them, why they matter, and how to integrate them into a real workflow. My favorite part was definitely the labs. Instead of just watching videos, I actually built CI/CD pipelines and integrate security scanning into them. The lab design is great because it pushes you to learn and grow through advanced practice. The exam was also quite challenging, and I like that. A difficult exam makes the certification more meaningful. Even today, I still use many of the concepts I learned from this course in my daily work. So yes, I definitely recommend the Certified DevSecOps Professional Course. Thank you for watching.